What's up guys, Joe with HSP. I'm excited to introduce to you a product line we've been creating for years. It's called RFAB, and it's designed to help you start and end a build with all of the right components and accessories you may need. We've gotten to the point where we can start giving back to the racing community, the fabrication community, and it doesn't necessarily have to be diesel specific. I mean, the LS car guys are just awesome. I mean, there's some of the import stuff that's cool, and these components can help pretty much any of those builds. I mean, we have boot sizes ranging from 1 3/4 all the way to 6 inch. We have all the different AN fittings, AN hoses. So our biggest thing going into this is obviously we're fabricators. We know those pains, we know those struggles. So trying to make sure that you have the right components, the right thread pitches, the right gasket sizes, the right hole diameters is very critical to this product line.